Next thing I want to talk about is restoring your maiden name. If you are going through divorce and you've had your name for a long time, or maybe you have kids and you took your husband's last name and you, what is very common is that the spouse, mom will want to keep the last name because it matches the kids' names. And so they won't want to have that restored. Or maybe you just had the name for 40 years. We just did divorce cases. They were married 40 years. So maybe you're more that name than your maiden name. But in most cases, I'd recommend you request restoration of your maiden name. And here's why. When we do the settlement agreement and judgment, there's a section on there where we can mark petitioner or respondent requests restoration of your maiden name back to X, whatever your maiden name was. So the divorce gets approved. Like in this case, this was a similar situation. Their divorce is done, signed by the court as of today, not officially approved until not I shouldn't say it's approved, but they won't be officially divorced until March 6, 2024. And she's restoring her maiden name. And she really wanted to get that done. Like, can I do that now? She messaged me, say, hey, I know my divorce is approved, but can I change my name now? The issue with that is, so yes, you do have a court order for that. But what we're learning through our clients is that most of the government agencies, Social Security, DMV, passport offices, are not just allowing you to bring in the copy we get from court. They want an actual certified copy from court. And unfortunately, the courts will not certify your judgment until the actual 6 months have passed, because they know that technically anytime between now and, in this case, March 6, 2024, the parties could go back to court and say, hey, we changed our mind. We're within the cooling off period. We want to stop the divorce. And they will. Easier said than done, but that is a possibility. So until that time has passed, the courts will not certify it, because it is done, it is approved, but the 6 months haven't passed. So in this case, she'll have to wait the 6 months. And then I told her once this date's passed, I gave her the link to LA County to where she can order directly online and get that certified copy, so then she can change her name back. So hope these are helpful.